Another super cool feature about HTML5 is that you can use what's called custom data attributes. Now, for you total beginners, which I'm assuming a lot of you are, that's okay. This might mean really nothing to you, but no worries. It's not going to hold you back if you don't know what this is. But as we become more advanced in our front-end development skills, you will start to see the benefits of custom data attributes. So with that being said, let me show you what they are and then kind of explain the benefit a little bit further. Go ahead and create a new HTML file called html5_data.html and do that basic structure, change that title to HTML5 data, custom data attributes. There we go. And I'm going to show you what a custom data attribute looks like. So let's go ahead and I'm going to add a div here. And I'm just going to put some text goes here. It really doesn't matter what's in there. And I'm going to give it an ID just for fun, just to show you, and say custom ID. So there's my custom ID. You can also add a class like so. Fancy pants. Now, custom data attributes. What if you want to be able to add some extra information as an attribute here to your div? Well, in HTML, in the tags, you're kind of limited to certain attributes. Like we've seen here. So there's the ID attribute, there's the class attribute, there's the type attribute, there's the value attribute, the placeholder attribute, but you can add your own custom attributes, meaning, so this is a pre-built attribute. You can add your own custom attributes. The problem before, you couldn't add custom attributes because it wouldn't be valid code. The HTML validators would see it as something incorrect. You can't add custom attributes. However, in HTML5 you can, so long as you preface it with data and then dash, and then you could put whatever custom attribute name you want here. So let's say something like data account. I'm just going to use kind of an arbitrary name here. Data account, checking. And then we could do another one, data max. And we could say something like 9999. And then you could have another attribute like data min. And then you could say 0. So this is kind of, these aren't actually built-in HTML attributes. Those aren't real. Those are custom attributes. And the reason why you'd want to do that is if you were working with some JavaScript or PHP or something like that, and you wanted further customization and a more elegant way of handling your HTML and the data. So instead of adding like your, very important information about your HTML element to like a class or an ID, you can split it out and have it be in a custom attribute. And again, like I was saying earlier, if this is fairly new to you, this might not make sense and you might wonder why you would even do something like this, and that's totally fine. I honestly haven't used custom data attributes very much. The only time I really use custom data attributes is when I'm working with Bootstrap, which we will get into further in this course, because they use custom data attributes for a lot of their JavaScript-related HTML. So I just wanted to show you that because some of you might actually appreciate that at this point, and some of you might come back to this lecture later and say, hey, I actually see a benefit in using custom data attributes. So let's move on. I just wanted to give you a little tidbit there, and we're going to do something really fun in the next few lectures.